Welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
FSSAI registration. About FSSAI. FSSAI registration is a mandatory compliance used to ensure the safety of food products, and it is essentially a food safety certificate issued by the Food Authority in India. This governing body, also known as Food Safety and Standards Authority of India (FSSAI), marks businesses compliant with the regulations of the Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. FSSAI license is mandatory before starting any food business. All the manufacturers, traders, restaurants who are involved in food business must obtain a 14-digit registration or a license number which must be printed on food packages. This step is taken by government's food licensing and registration system to ensure that food products undergo certain quality checks, thereby reducing the instances of adulteration, substandard products, and improve accountability of manufacturer by issuing food service license. FSSAI online registration is done through PNJ Legal FSSAI License Consultants. FSSAI online registration is done through PNJ Legal for basic and central level. For state, the FSSAI registration is done through offline mode. FSSAI registration procedure. Step 1. Fill the FSSAI application form with details about your food business. Step 2. Send your required documents via email and we will provide your FSSAI form A and B. Step 3. Document submission. Your FSSAI license application with other declarations are filled to the local FBO by our CA or CS. Step 4. FSSAI license issued. We will mail you the license, which will act as food license online after regular follow-ups with the Food Safety Department. Types of registration and license. FSSAI registration. Central license, large food business. State license, medium food business. Registration, petty food business. FSSAI basic registration. This is required for small business or startup which have annual turnover below Rs 12 lakhs. Basic registration can be upgraded to state license as your sales graphs increases. FSSAI state license. This license is applicable to mid-sized companies which have annual turnover between Rs 12 to 20 crores. FSSAI central license. This license is applicable typically on large business with annual turnover above Rs 20 crores. It is also required in cases where you need to supply at the government offices or import-export food products. State license and central license. It depends upon the business production, sale, and the area you want to include. For example, if you want to deal in more than one state, you have to apply for the state licensing, or like if you are producing a product for export-oriented units only, then you have to apply for central licensing. Documents required for obtaining FSSAI registration. Form B completed and signed, picture identifier of FBO, proof of possession of premises, partnership deed or certificate of incorporation or article of association, etc., list of food product to be controlled, food safety management system setup. Advantage of FSSAI license in India. FSSAI department is a part of central department, no any involvement of states of India. FSSAI license valid for 5 years, not vary every year for renew. As per your business requirement, you can easily know where you fall. We can file FSSAI license through online FLRS system. FSSAI licensing process is very easy as per department, but you need to hire professional or FSSAI license consultant. FSSAI license renewal. Online renewal. To obtain the FSSAI license renewal online, an FBO has to follow some steps that are log in or sign up for an account, apply for renewal by clicking relevant links, upload needed documents. Upon successful submission of the application, you will be given an application reference number to maintain track of the status of the application for the renewal of food license. Offline FSSAI renewal. The method of renew your food license can be done offline by the mentioned steps. Filing up the form or a Form B based on the eligibility of the food business of a particular kind of license, state, central or basic. Add a self-attested statement required to comply with the regulations of the FSSAI Act. Authority gets your application, examine and provide for an inspection of the FBOs in working premises. If the officer is satisfied with the compliance with the regulations of FBO, they will transfer the application and the report of the inspection. After this, in about 60 days of authority issue a renewal of the food license. In any case, the FSSAI renewal is not allotted within 16 days of submission of the application, the FBO can lead to their business operation without the renewal system. Food license validity period in India. An FSSAI license can be taken for a time varying from 1 to 5 years. At the time of appealing of FSSAI license, one may choose for how long he or she wishes to get the FSSAI license. The prices for the FSSAI license also vary as per the number of years taken for FSSAI registration. All the FBOs must begin its food business only after receiving the valid FSSAI license. To maintain the business, it is expected to be renewed before the expiry of the FSSAI license validity. If your food license expiry is coming closer, stay alert and remember you have to apply 30 days before the FSSAI license registration expiry date. Fines will be forced if you ignore FSSAI registration renewal. So it is always advised to keep a note on FSSAI license expiry date. Thank you.